So this is my dinner, and this is the boys' dinner. They're having the roast potatoes, salmon, and salad, and I'll be having leftover rice with salmon and bitter gourd sauteed. A recipe will be followed in the link. Sorry for not making a video prior to eating. Monday's dinner, though, was beef stew with butter beans and white rice. This was a frozen gyro kit that I purchased at BJ's for $14.99. They did come individually wrapped. I unwrapped them, baked them in the oven except for the sauce, served it with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and french fries. It was a hit with the boys. I made a midweek stop to get some produce for this week and next week. Hey guys, welcome back. I did not want to go food shopping to Saturday, but I had to get a few items because my children go through the kitchen like no tomorrow. So I got some stuff for this week and some stuff to incorporate into next week's menu. Thursday's dinner, spaghetti and meatballs. During Lent, as Catholics, we don't eat meat on Fridays, so Friday's meals for the next few weeks will either be vegetarian or seafood. This Friday, I'm doing fried tilapia. Friday's dinner is fried tilapia, red beans and white rice, and fried plantains. Saturday's dinner was roti, fried potatoes, and corned beef with avocado. Please don't forget to like and subscribe below.